Trying to find my chat here. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Let me just find my chat. Eric Lake, Michael, Giannis, amazing clips. What's going on? Good morning. How's it going, everyone? Market is open. Here we go. Off to the races. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Oops. Fire it up. Let me see here. So we had news this morning at 8:30. Let me set up my copy trader here for Bulanox master accounts. All right, get a nice push up here. Also want to not have this. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna set a bracket 600, 600. Change it or whatever, but you just move it around. All right, that looks good. All right, here we go. Just hit the button. I've been hitting, bro. Always rise. What's happening? I don't understand why I do it. Funded accounts took stop loss off. Right, but didn't have the room. Oh, that's, I mean, always rise, you know, I get it. I mean, I still do it. You know, I still do this stuff, that kind of stuff. I had a rough Monday and Tuesday. I blew up multiple accounts. I blew up an account today. I blew up an Apex account today. Look. I'm up. Pretty good on my personal account, and I'm up pretty good on the these pro accounts I just activated this morning. But yeah, I mean, I do things like that too. Like I set a stop loss or a daily loss limit, and then I go back in and I take it off. Sometimes, instead of just respecting my daily loss limit. It's just amazing what Tilt does, but it's all good. It's like part of the journey, right? And we just try to get better and better and better and have those things not happen as frequently, you know? It's all we can do. It's the hardest game I've ever tried to tackle is this trading stuff. John Walk, what's happening? Keegan, how's it going? Del Stone in the house. David Snyder, down 1K on the Bulanox, 25K and up 2K on my Apex 300K. Nice, Del. Not too bad. Yeah, I mean, amen to that. Yeah, exactly. Always rise. I mean, it's just, you know, discipline and consistency is the #1 thing. It has nothing to do with our strategies. It's just, you know. So I'm pretty close to a daily payout on these accounts right here. I'm going to be very patient with those. Now, I will trade these accounts a little more aggressively, but I'll probably wait for a little while before I trade these ones after the market slows down a bit. You think so, Michael Giannis? Yeah, for sure. Oh yeah, for sure. I wasn't even paying attention, Michael. Yeah, 100%. So we just filled it. 100%. We had the news at 8:30 this morning. Wasn't that significant, but it was still a nice little push. Yep, we just filled it. Finally. All right, pushing down, 1984. 19,984, I mean, sorry. I was thinking about my birthday. 1984. My birth year. All good call, always rise. Let's look at YM too. YM, let's get the YM filled. Not quite. YM still got that gap down there. That's interesting. Very interesting on the YM. Has not filled that gap, and will it? Let me take a stab in YM. Short. Might even try it in one of these pro accounts. This one over here so I can watch them both. YM was a little bit stronger yesterday. Well, yesterday morning, and then ended up plummeting. This was yesterday morning, and then ended up just rug pulling big time. Very weak. The short YM on these new Belanox funded accounts. We have that gap down here, 422-ish, 346. You graduated in 1985, John? All right, Stock Tiger, take it easy, man. Thank you, appreciate the support. So thinking out of the big accounts, the 250K is the sweet spot after trying them. Yeah, that's what I got. I got one of those 250Ks. So much for good news, honest take. Yeah, right. Sell the news, right? market's looking weak. I think YM's going to try to fill that gap down here. Short on the Take Profit Pro account, short on the Buellanox accounts. We don't have, let's make sure we don't have any news. Oh, pending home sales at 10 a.m. Orange folder. Not that significant, but it could definitely shake things up. Hey, Terry Trades, what's going on? Hey, while Terry Trades is on here, if you guys want to enter a giveaway that Terry Trades is doing, just go on her X. I'll show it real quick. So right here, Terry Trades 100 doing a giveaway on X. If you're on X, follow Terry Trades 100 and follow these instructions right here that she's got pinned to her account here. It's for a free 50K Take Profit Trader account, so why not, right? All right, we are pushing down now on YM. I'm looking to fill that gap. I am short in the pro accounts, and I am short in the Buellanox master accounts. So let her plummet. Headed down to 42,500 now. All right. Okay, I just hit a daily payout. Taking 2 off on my pro account, letting the rest ride. You short, Terry? Nice. Short NASDAQ? Very good. It's coming down. Yeah, we are short YM. You shorted NQ and got out, Amelia? Yeah, we did fill the gap, but like someone mentioned in the chat, that ES did not yet, and neither has YM, so that's pretty interesting. So I basically just hopped in on I just pushed the sell button once I noticed that we hadn't filled the gap on the YM yet. You can see it here on this horrible Project X chart. Just can't. We're hodling. I have to be a little careful. One of these accounts is intraday, but it is what it is. I think it could go another 100 points lower on YM. But we'll see. It just doesn't make sense that we wouldn't at least attempt to fill this gap down here. But you know what the market likes to do? It likes to fake everyone out. All right, pushing down. What a nice trade. Sometimes it's so satisfying hitting a YM trade. I don't know why. I feel like when you hit a nice trade with NASDAQ, it's so violent. Like it just, I don't know, exhausts you before, even if you take the, even if it's a win. But I'm still addicted to the NASDAQ. Oh, thank you, Always Rise. Yeah, it's good to stick to the discipline. Trying to go for the big winner here. I'm gonna move the stop to break even now. It's tempting to want to take profits in my TPT because I'm at a daily payout, but I want a big daily payout. Good trade, NQ. You're still waiting to step on the landmine. Oh yeah. Even if this turns out to be a good trade, I'll get in some NQ trade later and mess something up. Right now, YM's just looking very weak, so we're looking for the gap fill. Getting a little bit of a push up here, but it's fine. Hopefully we can just one time frame down on these 5-minute candles. Now we'll get stopped out at break even on this trade, but we can hop in again. This might even be a good place to add. I might actually do that on one of my pro accounts. So I added to one of my pro accounts. You can see here, down here in the lower left here. I'm in pretty heavy. Pine, never giving up spirit, bro. Just amazed. You'll be #1 day trader on YouTube in a few months. Thank you, Stock Tiger. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, I love watching you in the evenings too. Stock Tiger puts me to bed every night. In a good way. He's not boring. That's for sure. Makes me laugh. All right. See what YM wants to do here. Do we fill the gap or do we hold? You fell asleep listening to Stock Tiger? Yeah, it starts to get pretty late for me when Stock Tiger's on, but I enjoy his streams. Appreciate him too. There's no one else on. He gets my trading fix in. Pause Cove. Yeah. This ain't right, market. Get the hell down there. I know. We got that. We just got that gap down there and just itching to be taken out, but getting a little push back up here. Well, stopped out, break even. Is what it is. I still think we go down there, but the market's just gonna tease us for a little bit. Alright, let's check out NASDAQ. Ooh, what a push up, NASDAQ. Should be why YM is pushing up some too. NASDAQ rejecting off that 20. What kind of volume did we put in there? Oh, we're getting that volatility that we like, which is nice. Boy, YM really wants to hold that gap, doesn't it? Man. You have V bottom actioning going on. Yeah, I don't know. Honest take, yeah, it's quite the bounce. Intraday might get me on this YM trade. The ES ever fill the gap? Sure it did. Yep. Hey, Coach Fred, what's going on, buddy? Sorry, I've been missing some of the chat. I've been heavily in some trades here. I am starting to pull back again. Oof, look at that. Nice push up there. $9.45 candle just rocketing. Aggressive school run trade. Mo did, yeah. Mo did, and Del Stone bought one on his own. Appreciate you, Del Stone. Hey, Newts, what's going on? That pump, whoa, yeah. Hey, Newts, let's see. Oh, sorry. Grab 30 points. Coach Red, nice. Oh, yeah, trading house numbers already. Maybe. Yeah, 10 a.m. Shorting again. YM. Damn, intraday got me on the account. Oh well. Nasdaq too. What a V bottom, huh? Rocket ship off to 945. You bought 18 Apex? Nice. Oh, 90% off or something, and they gave the rips or something. I don't know, I missed it. Oh, yeah, yeah. We are pumping, guys. Housing news in just a few minutes. Orange folder, so let's see. Jeez, I gotta get out of this. Market is just pumping. All right, we're gonna wait for the housing news. YM left the gap. Left that gap down there. 426 to whatever, 330. 340 something. YM still left the gap. So, pretty interesting. YM strong. For now. You just stuck for the 50K, 15K is... 150K is too much to make. Oh, 15K is too much to make. Yeah. 250Ks, yeah. They're tough. What is it? Use code RIPS or something? taking money from us, Newts. Just kidding. He's taking money from us. Yeah, I'll pick up some. Oh, yeah. That's a lot of clicking, Newts. Buying 15 accounts is a lot. So I'm buying some Apex accounts. 90% off. Use code RIPS, I guess. But then tomorrow, guys, use code PINE. Because that's way luckier. It's a way luckier code. So after you fail the RIPS code, then yeah, tomorrow you can use code PINE. But 16 bucks on it for 250K or whatever. I'm gonna pick up a few. That's why you hear my phone going crazy. That's my credit card screaming at me. Oh really, Eric? That's weird. Yeah, you can hang on to it, but then if you want to buy new accounts, you gotta make sure you use code PINE. Or if you just hate rips and you just want to use my code anyway. But I'm not gonna get you 90% off though. Alright, I don't know how many accounts I just bought, but I'm tired of punching in my stuff. Alright, that's enough. Alright, back to the markets. See how many accounts I bought. finished yet. Hasn't finished yet, so I think a lot more than that. That is lying. It's not the best deal at Apex. It's true. It's false advertising, Newts. What you gotta do is you gotta shit on Apex a lot, like a lot. And then you gotta get a lot of hair gel and hairspray, Newts. That's the problem. So you might have to get a toupee and style that hair up, and then Apex will give you 90% off too. Exactly, Nate. See? Nate failed 250Ks twice using the wrong code. Used Pine and pass. Yeah, right, Newts, yeah. Oh yeah, always rise, yeah. I've never been denied a payout with Apex at all, personally, but I know some people have, so. Yeah, 100% always rise. Yeah, I know, Newts. I know the feeling. Let's look at YM here. Oh, these are my Apex accounts being activated. Refresh. I bought a few. 4. Short on the YM. I don't know. I think I have to wait for some weakness in the NASDAQ. So last night we were up pretty good in the personal account, and I'm still up pretty good. Up currently $4,875, so pretty good. Last night when we left stream, I was up pretty good. But yeah, I just blew those Take Profit Pro accounts. Yeah, intraday got me. 25K accounts to intraday can bite you good. If you don't catch that, if you trade it heavily like I do, you don't catch that a runner, it'll come back and bite you. But that's okay. Yeah, I had another 2 contracts. I was in 3 contracts, Amelia. I ended up adding. I took off 2, and then I added 2 more. So then I had 3, and yeah, it came back. And I don't even remember. It's gone now. So I might get in this YM here. All right, we're short YM again. I don't remember where the gap was. Short YM for looking for a big win. NASDAQ looks like it just wants to push down. Currently bouncing off the VWAP. Need advice? Been trading bad these past couple days? I've been trading well either. Yesterday I was on fire yesterday. Monday and Tuesday, absolutely Got hammered. I mean, I just blew 2 pro counts right now. I blew an Apex count too earlier. But yeah, I mean, the only thing I could, just not financial advice or anything, Dylan, but like sometimes a little reset in the mind. So, you just gotta take a break sometimes from the screens. Because what happens is a lot of times you try to make up for those losses the next day. You're thinking about those losses. So you're essentially revenge trading the next day. And then dig yourself in a deeper hole. So sometimes just taking a break away from the screens for a little while and get their mind reset. Come back, size down. Maybe half the size that you usually trade, and build your confidence back up in your edge, and then slowly start to scale back up again. But yeah, so what I got for you, Dylan. Sometimes I should take my own advice. Oh, always rise. You can use anything with Apex, Rhythmic, Trade of 8. Just a bunch. So I need Rhythmic connection. They have wealth charts, which is their own. So yeah, right here, they have wealth charts, which is like their version of, I don't even know, I've never used it. It's kind of like Project X, I guess. So it's like their own platform that they're working with. Rhythmic, and then yeah, Trade of 8. You can use NinjaTrader 8. So pretty much anything. I use Trade of 8 with them. Yep, Quant Tower with Rhythmic. Definitely gonna take a break, Dylan. Yeah, that's the best thing. It gets addicting, It does get addicting. And if you have some bad days, like Monday I had a bad day, Tuesday I had a bad day, and I felt like it was just carrying over. So Monday I had a bad day, and I felt it just carried over Tuesday. Wednesday I got back on track a little bit, but today not doing so good so far. Oh, I mean, okay, financially on my personal account, so where it matters, but I just blew 2 pro accounts. One of them was $200 in the payout. Went too big, got too greedy. We're pushing higher. YM's pushing higher too. Yeah, I keep trying to fade this and it's not working. I keep thinking that gap down here is gonna get filled. So I need to wait for a strong push down. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit on my hands for a bit. I I'm not even waiting for a setup. That's the problem. I'm not even waiting for a setup. I'm looking for that gap fill without a setup. For now, we're mooning. Looks like we're gonna try to take out the overnight highs on the NASDAQ. Head back down and test the VWAP. Trying to bounce here, 20,070. See if we can hold. Wow, what a V bottom, huh? See if we can break up above that 20,100. That was a pretty big resistance point this morning. Kind of battling here around the 80s. Trying to push up above that 20,100 now. You're gonna take off next week, Dell? Nice. I am too, guys. Actually, I was gonna post something, but I will be off tomorrow and Monday, Tuesday, possibly Wednesday. I might be back Wednesday next week. I'm gonna place a post in the Discord and stuff. I have quite a bit of stuff to do this afternoon too, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna be on tonight, but I will let you guys know. All right, pulling back here. So why I'm doing. Not looking very weak. That's for sure. Still left that gap. Could get wrecked on this, we'll see. I'm short. Break of the first inside bar. There we go. Nice little move there. Holding up above that VWAP though. Pretty strong. YM's looking strong. Kind of taking this without discretion, you know. We'll see. Hey, Corey the phone trader, what's going on? Yeah, we'll see, Nate. I don't know. I'd like to see some weakness in the Dow too, but right now we're just kind of one time framing up. Oof, boy. I don't think it's my day today. Pop that account. Must have been the trailing one. Oh, the daily loss limit. Well, that sucks. Womp womp. Just popping accounts left and right today, guys. Alright, I'm on an eval now. Yo, Smokey, what's up? Yeah, I didn't have much drawdown. That intraday got me. Alright, the end of DLL. I don't know what that noise was. Yeah, we are just chopping around there on the 5 minute. Chopping. I feel like we might pop those highs. YM's not doing any better. Yeah. Stopped out. Really pushing now. Testing that 120s again. Looks like we want to test that overnight high. 47. Oh, nice little flat top breakout there. YM just does not want to go down and fill that gap. Market hasn't moved much. Little flat top breakout, 122s. Lamb's just consolidating up here, 42,800. Nasdaq's continuing to try to push higher. Big point of resistance though right here. So I really got nothing. All right. Do we push those overnight highs? 147.75. I'm thinking so. Thinking so. So we can get in on a pullback off the 9. Looks like it's gonna go without us. Taking it off. Pushing out that overnight high now. Looks like it wants to pop it. That 150 is there, just above it. Wow, there's the pop. 10-point pop in a second. I didn't see those equal highs up there. There it goes. 160s now. Above the initial bounce high too, 122. Looking pretty strong. $168.75, pulling back. Just going without us, Nate. Just going without us. That was definitely a nice flip the switch. Wow, I'm sweaty. Off that inside bar. Did not work. Came back. Flipped the switch. Bang. Nice one. Yeah, we can't have 2 red days in a row, not NQ. Day's not over yet. I mean, we're right at settlement. Right at settlement, and yeah, I'm very surprised with the YM. Very surprised. We never filled that gap. Which is pretty interesting to me. You're just grinding higher over the YM. NQ. Take a look at the NQ daily. I ain't gonna try to fade this. Not this move. Good point, young grasshopper. Sitting on my hands here, just watching it grind higher. Thought about taking a 9-touch play. Looks like we might have touched it right there. It was a nice little scalp play right there. Not gonna try it now. Not if it touches it again. But it could just ride that 9 all the way up. Where are we headed? Well, just filled that gap there, 169. We have another one above it, in 219 to 237. All right, 160s. Just one time framing up, slow grinding. Not really slow, but yeah, this is the volatility we wanted to see for sure. 150s. Love to hop in on a pullback. I think we could run. What did I say? 219s, 250s possibly. That's 100 points up. But we did just fill the gap, that smaller gap, 5 minute. $257s to 171, 170. We just filled that. We do have that bigger one up here, 220s, 254s. New 15-minute candle opening. Close your eyes and buy, I guess. I don't know what to think, Jeremy. I'm not doing very good at thinking today. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. I think we, if we continue to push, we're gonna push for that 200 level. There's big gaps up there. Yeah, we're just mooning. I'd like to get back on like to get in on a little pullback like this, but still a little scary. I think if we can get back down to maybe the 130s, 122s, the initial balance high, that might be a good entry for a long if you're still bullish. But I'd hate to buy here and then just have it pull back down to here and you're taking 40 points of heat. It's kind of what I'm thinking. I'm trying to think, but nothing's happening. So at first I hated the new Apex payout rules, but now I have accounts over the buffer. It's nice not needing, or just needing only 5 days of 100 in profit to make another withdrawal. Yeah, exactly. And yeah, you actually have a buffer. I mean, before it was nice in a way where it's, 52,600, and then you could withdraw $600. I mean, $2,000, and it was nice. But it didn't leave you any buffer. You just blow the accounts after usually. Very rarely did I get 2 payouts with Apex when I withdrew $2,000. I gotta shut my heat off. Yeah, start the hamster wheel again. Exactly. Exactly, John. I'm gonna enter long here. I'm gonna DCA if I have to. Another buy order down there. 130s. This is that 250K Apex eval. inside bar. That's interesting. Yeah, I know they are full-time trader. I picked up some too. I even suggested it on the stream. I hated to, but hey, I think my peeps should know too that Apex is 90% off if you want to use code RIPS. But very unlucky code, I've heard. So after you blow it tomorrow, then you can go back and use Pine. Thanks, full-time trader. Yeah. Yeah, get those cheap Apex counts. It's like $15 for a 250k eval, so. Oh, come on. Give me that second fill there. What was that? I might get it now, but low 130. My order's at 130 and didn't fill me. Okay, the 90% off, I guess, is done. Yeah, it's also recurring too, guys, so hold on to it. Rips is gonna buy another Ferrari today. Alright, 154s. We are long. I can't believe I didn't get filled on that. Oh, yeah, Michael, I'm sure he is, but he got tons. He got hundreds and hundreds of counts to give away the other day, I guess, like from Apex, and plus the 90% off, and Tradeify had a discount with him, and there's a bunch of other ones too, so the rich get richer. Alright, we are long. I really wish I got filled on that 130. The candle low, 130. My order on the DCA was 130. So we'll take that off now. Okay, apparently Rips posted it on his twatters. I never call it his real name. Yeah. That's funny. Nice trade here. Taking it off right there. Up 1500 on this eval. Totally agree with you that as well. I really don't think any of them are tiny trades, maybe. But definitely no one else. Oh, thank you, full-time trader. I appreciate that, man. Full-time trader thinks I'm the best trader on YouTube, so I'll take that. Some days not. Still looking for my consistency and a little bit of patience with the prop firms, that's for sure. Appreciate that though. Still think we go up to that gap there that on the 30-minute chart. You look at this right here, right to it, 217, 251. Plenty of room. I should have just held that till we get there. I don't yell and scream and make an ass of myself. No, it's definitely not my nature. Great comedy trading channels, but that's all they are. Yeah, when I started this channel, I just said, I'm just gonna be who I am. I'm not gonna try to be a bully and act like PW or something and I know he doesn't act like that off camera. I know he doesn't. I would be willing to bet. I mean, just maybe a little bit, but his real true friends, he's not acting like that. Just my opinion. Insult the viewers, yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. PW will insult his. If you donate $5 to his channel, he'll insult you. If it ain't more than $20 or something, he'll insult you. Yeah, he's something else. He just reminds me of the wrestling heel, just like that wrestling heel. The bad guy. The old WWF wrestling. That's what he does. Let's see. Boy, I really kind of regret getting out of this trade. I might hop back in, but it might be a mistake. Rejecting off the 200. I just noticed that, the psych level. I'm going to hop back in right where we got out. I think we go... I keep forgetting. I'm going to mark this out. Two 18s. 250s. This is on eval only, guys, by the way. Just want to let you guys know. So we'll just do oops, wrong button. I always hit control. Gap up here, pretty big one on the 30-minute. Some single prints. Let me see something. I'm gonna show you guys something real quick. My stomach is growling, guys. All right, little TPO lesson. So, see these single prints up here on the M? Market doesn't like to leave those. Those are fair value gaps, guys. I know, no UICD guys, but originally, like, these are single prints, TPO profiles, and yeah, those are the gaps. And so I think we're gonna come up and try to fill this right here. I'm just joking, by the way, guys. I don't care what you trade as long as you're making money. Taking money from these prop firms. But yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Get something to eat. I need some. I need to move in town so I can get DoorDash. Hungry for that money. I need that extra guac and double meat. We are pushing higher. See if we can break that 200 level. Get a $50 burrito. You learn TPO wood chip, yeah, very valuable. If you learn it, you know, you can kind of use it. I wish I had a third monitor because it's free with Take Profit Trader too. I don't know if anyone knows that. I just found out that the other day from my trading buddy. Yeah, you can get TPO charts free through Tradeovate with Take Profit Trader. I wish I had a third monitor so I keep it up. It gives really good targets. I'm not very good at like trading off from it, but like, you know, dropping down to the 5 minute, and then if you're in a good trade, then, you know, it can give you that good target to look for, like the point of controls and obviously the single prints, things like that. Poor highs and poor lows, which are equal highs and equal lows. I'm in Maine, Jeremy. Middle of the woods in Maine. So we're getting a little bit of a pullback here. I re-entered into my long that I got out, thinking we're gonna fill this gap, but you know what? That got me in trouble this morning, thinking the YM was gonna fill the gap. So we'll see. This could be actually a good entry. DCA here. Little wick test. Trying to buy up prior bars low here. Let's see. See if we make the run to that 200. Never been able to crack the code on TPO charts. Yeah, it took me. That was the very first thing I studied really, so I absorbed it pretty well. I just could never quite figure out how to trade it, like to actually just use the TPO and then trade off it. But now, like I haven't been watching it for months and months, but now I can like almost look at it. I could go and look at it and then say, well, you know, this might be a good potential target up here, things like that. But essentially, you can look at the 30-minute chart and see the same things. So. All right, getting a little bit of a pullback here. Doesn't quite feel as strong. Rejected up that 199.50, 200 level, that psych level. So we'll see if we can push up through there. Right, yeah, you trade gold. 3 types of traders: consolidation traders, reverse traders, and continuation and consolidation. Shop is what I target. Oh, yeah, nice. Time price opportunity, where was the time spent and what was the low volume? Yeah, exactly, wood chip. I hate shorting, but I short if that's the right trade. Oh, really? Little perma bull. Yeah, that's funny. I see some traders that only trade you know, the short side or just the long side, you know. It's always interesting to me. Like they only look for longs, they only look for shorts. You know, I don't know. I guess if it works for them. I would love to see us break that 200 level. Hey, Lassie for Trader, what's going on? Most part, I think shorting is a scam, but because the whole overall markets don't go up over long periods of time. Yeah, right. But you can make plenty of money shorting. Oh, for sure. Yeah, the elevator down. The one trick pony style. Yeah, exactly. Complex DNA. Yeah. Find it much harder to flip bias all the time. Yeah, it is difficult. It is difficult. Well, we're struggling here at the 80s again. Trying to be patient here. I'm gonna get out of it. I think we get a temporary pullback, possibly. Well, that's it. Yeah, you got your edge, and you got to stick with it. You know, that's the key. Yep, exactly. Yeah, trading for anyone really is knowing your edge and being very dedicated to it. Yeah, trading outside your edge could be a disaster. So yeah, good little call there, a little discretion call. I really felt like we were really struggling to push up here, so we're gonna temporary pullback perhaps. I still think we make a run for that 220. We're at 150s here, battling. Pulling back, possibly test that initial balance Hi. Sun is out, guys. It's nice. One of your good trading buddies only shorts, never longs. I'm the exact opposite. However, I do take shorts. So yeah, always looking for longs. He specializes in scam decks. Took the short when Tesla failed to break above the 290 target of 2130 on NQ. Nice, Andreas. You just can't start talking about it and then it reverses, yeah. Gold at 370, 3070. Wow, all-time highs, right? Amazing. All right, still getting a bit of a pullback here. Sitting flat at the moment. Blew a few blew a few accounts this morning. Up 1,300 on this one. Up on the personal account. GCM5. What am I on? There we go. Oh, it's rolling over this week. Thank you. I don't pay much attention to it. Usually I kind of rely on the Tradeovator Top Step to change it for me. You're in Miami? Caught Miami? Nice, 80 degrees. Oh, I'm jealous. I'm jealous. Yeah, I'm always confused with the gold contracts and stuff. Carlos, what's going on? Good morning. Another 500 on after payout number 2 on Top Step. Nice, Carlos. Give it up for Carlos. 2 payouts on Top Step. On a single account. It's kind of rare. Good for you, man. Get you on that leaderboard. The Top Step leaderboard. That's pretty awesome. Alright, market's kind of dead. Still pulling back here. Acting like it wants to test the IBH. What's the YM doing? Nada. Hanging out at 42,080. 800, I mean. 42,800. Just hanging. Chilling. We could take out the 28, 128.50, the low of this candle. We could run that. Short. Maybe I'm looking for a little scalp. Well, I was looking for a little momentum on that breakdown through, but didn't get it. Well, this was a dumb trade. Just want to get out of the thing. Yeah, I'm getting out. Yeah, very bull flagish actually. This is like a very classic bull flag. Get a nice strong up push from above 80s there. I think we could run. Going long here, one contract. I might scale in. Well, I like these big accounts. I got all kinds of drawdown. Doesn't want to push up to fill that gap yet. YM feels heavy, but I feel like I feel like Nasdaq's gonna break out of this flag here, push higher. YM just looks topish. Do it already. That's why I love it, full-time trader. Why I'm in Nasdaq are most manipulated. Yeah, you're not wrong. Hey, what's going on, TJP? Can you break out of this flag, please? Just one way. Take me out of my misery. Let's break this 170 here. There we go. You break 170. I think that this flag is going to be broke. We could make a run. But right now we are just kind of chopping sideways, slightly down to the right. Alright, starting to look like it wants to break out a little bit. Let's see. Immediately gets sold off. Tesla's going down, so it's going to be hard for markets to go up. Yeah, you're probably right, Andreas. Tesla's flagging though. It's pretty in the same pattern as NQ. It is flagging. Full flagging. But yeah, I mean, you see it on the, make sure I'm not, yeah. See here. Kind of pretty in the same pattern, but we'll see. I really should just wait for an actual break. Be much easier on my mental capacity. He crushes it. It's NQ crushes me, where gold destroys him. I destroy gold. Yeah. He's always done by 9:45. Yeah. He's in and out. Oh, he focuses on Asia. Nice. Yeah, push back. Big caps. You like the fundamentals of Tesla because the tariffs are not affecting them. Yeah, true. Tariffs not going to affect the buddies of the president. You know that. Alright, still getting the pullback here. Testing that initial balance high. Right. He might be the world's best opening range trader. He's been on Top Step leaderboard 5 times. Oh, wow. Made 15K today at Top Step. Wow. All right, going lower. Testing that initial balance high. Well, flag did not hold. Weeks. Oh well. Let's see, he's a weeks on the leaderboard. Yeah, it looks like a failed auction to me. Not sure if he uses Top Step or his real name. Oh. Yeah, sometimes they don't have the real names, I don't think. Alright, well guys, I think I'm going to call it there. I'm struggling a bit this morning, but that's alright. It's all good. So, anyways, use code PINE, Bealonox and Apex. I appreciate you guys' support, and Tradeify link is in the chat. If you guys want to help support the channel, use Tradeify. The link and then the default code MAR to help support the channel. Terry Trades 100, all caps, take profit trader, and MM for buy funded futures, guys. We'll call it there. Blew some accounts today. Felt bad, but it is what it is. I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, I'm gonna get something to eat. I'm starving. Alright guys, peace out.